Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. So in last class we learned some operations on sets. Remember, I'll just recall the first one which we learned in the last class in operation A intersection B. A intersection B ಹೇಗೆ define ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? Set of all element x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. That element should belongs to both A and B. What do you mean by union? X such that x belongs to A but or x belongs to B. You have to take the elements from both sets. If there is a common element, say take only once. Then A minus B, set of all x such that x belongs to A but x does not belongs to B. Similarly, B minus x such that x belongs to B but x does not belongs to A. So these are the different operations we learned. Okay, in last class we also represent them in Venn diagram. So today we are going to solve some problems, very simple problems based on these four basic operations, and after that we will learn one more operation on the sets which is called complement of the set. Okay, observe carefully. Very good. So first question for today's class: if A and B are two sets such that A is a subset of B, is symbol subset of B, then what is A union B? Tell me, what is a union B? If A is subset of B, A is inside B and we need A union B. See, whenever you take A union B, whenever you are taking union of two sets, you are always writing the bigger one. If A is a subset of B, A is inside B, then which is big? B is big. So answer should be B. It cannot be A, because whenever you take union of two sets, you will take the elements from both. If it repeat one or two times, or you are going to remove it, or you are writing only once. So here biggest set is B, so therefore answer is B. So what is the reason? A is a subset of B, so A union B is equal to B. You can remember this as a one result also. Remember, intersection always smaller set we are considering, and in union only bigger set. First question ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ, 1 mark ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Next, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, C is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and D is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, find A union B, A union B union C and B union C union D. Okay, so let me answer the first question. A union B. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ A union B? A union B, you have to take all the elements from A and B. If it repeat more than once, then you are going to write only once. So 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, 3 ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ, so don't take it again. So 4 is there in both, but take it once. Then 5 from B, 6 from B. So this is A union B. Just a simple. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. These problems are very very simple. The simplest form problems of this textbook. Union ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? A union B, taking elements from both sides and if it repeated only once. Next, A union B union C. Okay, next one, A union B union C. Then you have to take all the elements from A, B as well as from C. Okay, A then 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. B already 3, 4 ಬರ್ದಾಗಿದೆ, so again no need to write it. So take 5, 6, correct? Next you take C, 5, 6 already there, so what is remaining? 7, 8, that's it. One day triple birth bidos because all these are 1 mark questions, so please remember that. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 1 to 8 ತನಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, B union C union D. B union C union D. B ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? 3, 4, 5, 6. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ. ದೆನ್ ಸಿ 5, 6 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 7, 8. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಬೇಕು. ಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು? 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್? 9 and 10. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಯೂನಿಯನ್? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎನಫ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ 2 or more than 2 sets. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇಫ್ A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, B 7, 9, 11, 13, C is equal to 11, 13, 15, D is equal to 15, 17, then find. Here we need intersection. We need intersection of the sets. The first is B intersection C. Intersection ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? You are going to take the common elements between B and C. Okay, so B and C ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಇದು B, ಇದು C. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? 11 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, 13 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು? 11 and 13. That's it. You are taking the common elements between the sets, so it is 11 and 13. What is the next one? A intersection C intersection D. The common elements to all the three sets ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ A, C and D. A 2 3 3 5 7 9 11 okay, so 11 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಬಟ್ 11 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಓಕೆ ಸೊ A union A intersection C intersection B without bracket ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು common element for all the sets there is no common elements between okay these three sets so answer is null set see A ಯಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ B okay B ಯಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೀನ್ C B ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ C ಯಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ D ಯಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ A ಮತ್ತು C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ D okay D ಮತ್ತು C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ A so when you okay without bracket if you are writing this definitely you are writing null set because there is no common element which is common to all the three remember that okay what is the third one A intersection B union D A intersection B union D ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ B union D B ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ B ಮತ್ತು D ಅನ್ನ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 9 11 13 15 and 17 this is B union D ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು 7 9 11 13 15 17 all the elements you should consider now take A intersection B union D now take the intersection of these two 7 9 11 13 15 17 A ಏನಿದೆ 3 5 7 9 11 so what is the answer tell me 7 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ 9 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ 11 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 7 9 and 11 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ B union D then take the intersection with A you will get 7 9 and 11 as the answer because 7 is there in A 9 is there in A 11 is also there in A but other elements are not there in A so these are the three common elements between A and B union B ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ yes very good next ಏನು A intersection B intersection B union C ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎರಡು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸೊ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ A intersection B A intersection B ಏನು ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ 7 9 11 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ 7 9 11 7 9 11 ಓಕೆ then find out B union C B union C 7 9 11 13 15 correct now take the intersection of this that is A intersection B union C so what is the intersection A intersection B union C common element again the same answer which we got in the first case for third case 7 9 and 11 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು so A intersection B union C is again same as that of the previous one but don't generalize any results okay just keep as it is 7 9 and 11 so 7 9 and 11 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ so based on intersection as well as union understood so simple very simple problem and it will continue in the next questions also but understand immediately you can understand in the first attempt only if you concentrate properly when you watch the video remember that okay question number 4 if x is A is equal to x is a natural number B is equal to x is an even natural number C is equal to x is an odd natural number and D is x is a prime number then we have to write these three problems we have to answer these three questions now observe carefully here the sets are not given in the tabular form roster set builder form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಬಹುದು observe ಮಾಡಿ you should know exactly about a natural number and a prime number then you will answer this very easily first A intersection B x is a natural number and B is a even natural number so definitely you know tell me B is a subset of A did you agree with me because every even natural number is also a natural number B is a subset of A B is a subset of A therefore A intersection B is the small set what is smaller set B is smaller than A because B is inside A B is inside A so whenever you take the intersection of the set A intersection B where B is a subset of A then answer should be the smaller one that is B itself ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ next A intersection D A is A intersection D A and then a set of all natural number x is a prime number prime number ಯಾವ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ 2 3 5 7 11 and so on alva all the prime number are the natural numbers so definitely here also you know D is a subset of A so what is the answer D is the answer third one C intersection D C intersection D. C is X is an odd natural number and X is a prime number. Odd natural number andre 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Correct? Now in prime number except 2, the remaining all are odd only. Only one prime number is even prime number, that is 2, and except that remaining all the prime numbers are odd prime numbers. So hege baritiri? Now we need intersection. 2 baralla. So set of all hege baritiri? X such that X is an odd prime number. Remaining all the odd prime number will come except 2. So X is an odd natural number and X is a prime number. Prime number only one element, okay, it's not odd, which is 2. Remaining all the prime numbers are odd numbers only. Therefore X is intersection is X such that X is an odd prime number. Odd natural number intersection part alva. So this is actually smaller. D is smaller than C. So you should write the elements of D only. So D ella barudilla 2 baralla. 2 is odd even number. So only the odd prime number you are getting. So answer is this. You can write like this again. Not an issue. Either smaller set, so easily you can write. But in this case you write like this. Understood? Very good. So next question. If A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 11, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, then we have to answer 3 questions, A minus B, B minus C and C minus D. So that means you are taking now difference of sets. You are taking the difference of two sets. Definition and so first one, A minus B, and then you are removing B from A. You are removing B from A. Remember that, okay? B and A in the remove mode. Okay. So A minus B and remove B from A. So first you identify the common elements between A and B. Identify the common elements between A and B. Yavadella common ide? 12 is common. That's it, alva. 12 matra common irodu eradalalli. So just remove that from A. Just remove that from A, so it will give you A minus B, and then removing the elements of B from A. See, idella remove modo chance illa because elements illa. So yav elements remove madbeku adu common between both. The elements which is common between both, that element you have to remove. So here how many elements are common? Only one element. What is that element? 12. So remove that, finish. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. That's it. Very good. Adhe tara B minus C. Remove C from B. Remove C from B. So identify the any common elements. 4 ide. Next 8 ide. 12 ide. 16 ide. So 4 remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 8 remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 12 remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 16 remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. From where? From B. So if I remove 4, 8, 12, 16, what is remaining? Only one element. Okay, remaining all are present in C. So when we remove all the elements which are present both B and C, only one element will remain in B minus C, which is 20, because that 20 is not there in C. That's it. Removing subtraction, direct concept. Okay. Next, C minus D. Remove D from C. D 5, 10, 15, 20 from C. Okay, 10 ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 10 ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋದಲ್ವಾ. Only one element is common to both C and D is 10. So remaining all the elements will come. So 2 will come, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14 and 16. Because only one element common to both C and D, only that element you have to remove. So answer is 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. Subtraction. So what we learned today in problems, intersection, union and the difference between the sets. Got it? Very good. So next question. One mark question, simple question. If R is a set of all real number and Q is a set of all rational number, then what is R minus Q? What is R minus Q? Andre real number andre gottide, rational number andre gottide. So answer is, tell me, one mark question. R ella real number inda, okay, if you remove the rational number, what is the answer? You know that every rational number is a real number. So rational number anna real number na tegdre real number alli ulkonadeno, what is remaining in the real number when you remove the rational number? Definitely you are getting irrational numbers. Remaining is only irrational numbers. Only irrational number remaining in set of all real number after removing the rational number. Understood what I am telling? So answer is irrational number. So these are the exercise problems of union, intersection and difference between the two sets or more than two sets. As I told, these are the very simple problems, okay, not at all, okay, difficult, okay, in this chapter. Any problem is not difficult, remember that, easy to manage. Okay, so one more operation on sets we have, as I told in the beginning, that is a complement of the set. Complement of a set. Observe carefully. I'll define. Simple ide. Idu easy ide. Consider a universal set and one set. Then the complement of A is a set of all elements of U which are not in A. Which are not in A. And ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ removing A from U. Removing A from U is called the complement, and it is denoted by A dash. A dash and the represent ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. What it represent? Complement of a set. So what do you mean by complement? Removing A from U. Removing A from U is known as the complement of a set. So what do you mean by complement of a set? Complement of a set is removing A from the universal set is known as complement, and it is denoted by A dash. Okay, so that is A dash is equal to U minus A. A dash is equal to U minus A, removing A from U. So how to represent set builder form? It is X such that X belongs to U but X does not belongs to A. X belongs to U but X does not belongs to A is known as the complement of the set. See, for example, if U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and A is equal to 2, 5, 7, 8. 2, 5, 7, 8. Can you tell me what is A complement? What we should do? Remove A from U. Andre common element between A and U anna remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Universal set ಇಂದ remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಏನು 1, 3, 4, 6, 9 and 10. 1, 3, 4, 6, 9 and 10. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? ರಿಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟು ಬೋತ್ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯು. ಸಿ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಇದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಎ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ರೀಜನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಎ. This represent A dash, the region other than the circle part which include the elements of A. Okay, and then this is in Venn diagram format we will represent like this complement. We have one simple set of properties very useful in exams, especially in entrance exam. Which of the following is true, which of the following is false ಅಲ್ಲಿ in the use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. First ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. A union A complement. A complement ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? The elements from U which are not in A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ಮತ್ತು A complement ಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಎ elements of A, and when you combine with the A complement you will get the every elements of a universal set. So answer is U, universal set. Okay, there is no common element, you know that there is no common element between A and its complement. Remember that for any set there is no common element between the set and its universal set and its complement. So always they are disjoint. Okay, remember that A intersection A complement will be a null set. Disjoint sets, remember that, disjoint sets. When you take the complement twice, if you take the complement twice, what you will get? See, for example, take complement here 2, 5, 7, 8. You will get A back. Remember that. When you take the complement of a complement, when you take the complement of the complement, you can take the example of this. You will get that set back. A complement of complement andre no A. A complement of complement andre A. Just remember that. When you take the complement of a null set, it is a universal set. Because nothing is there to remove from the universal set. Means what? If you take the complement of the null set, you will get that universal set back. Complement of the null set, remove everything from null set. Sorry, remove everything from the universal set. What is remaining in the universal set? Nothing. So andre null set. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳೋದು? ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. A union A complement is universal set. A intersection A complement is null set. Complement of the complement the set itself. Complement of null set is a universal set. Complement of universal set is null set. Now one more very important property. This is known as De Morgan's property. Okay, ಯೂಶಲಿ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 marks ಈಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಆಸ್ ಎ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ and it will convert as follows: a complement intersection b complement. A union b whole complement is a complement intersection b complement. ಅದೇ ತರ a intersection b complement ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು ಹೇಳಿ? a complement union b complement. a intersection b whole complement is a complement union b complement. ಇದು ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಥ್ರೂ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬರ್ದೇನೆ, ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಬರ್ದೇನೆ. I'll show you how to prove the second one. You try, okay, as a homework the first one. Okay, so first find out a intersection b. What is intersection a intersection b? Only 3 alva. This implies what is a intersection b complement? A intersection b complement except 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 2 4 5 6 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಎ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 1 4 5 6 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು? 1 2 3 4 ಇದೆ, 6 1 2 6 3 ಮತ್ತು 3 4 5 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, now what we should do, take the union a complement union b complement. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 2 4 5 6. Let it be, this is 1, this is 2. Compare. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what you can write? A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. So remember, this is true. This result is true. That is De Morgan's property is true. I proved the first one. Second one. You have to try to prove just like this. You take the same example, nothing to worry, and verify the first statement as a homework problem. But example in the proof problems ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. A B C D union universal ಕೊಟ್ಟು verify the De Morgan's property. Usually ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ De Morgan's property. A union B whole complement is A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B whole complement in A is equal to A complement union B complement. So we completed the basic operations on sets. Which are the different opposite operation we learned? Union, intersection, difference, as well as the complements of the sets. Done. So one very important part of set theory is over. That is basic operation and its problems. So next class we are going to solve some problems based on the complements as well as the cardinal number. So that I will discuss in next class. Thank you.